Hey guys, what's going on? We're back today with a magnet fishing video. We are here at the beautiful Joy Falls. It's a really beautiful place. We got a nice chilly windy day out here to go do this, so we're gonna see if we can find anything, but for the most part the water is really pretty, it's really clear, so I don't know how much we'll find, but we're gonna give it a shot anyways.
It is a very historical fall. It's been here for centuries.
Yeah,
I guess. I don't know. So, but we're gonna start maxing. We'll see what we can find.
Yep.
May not find nothing, but at least we're enjoying some beautiful scenery. So,
yep.
All right, let's get out there and see what we can find. All right, here we go. We got to traverse down this rocky terrain. This is all like part of the falls. All this rocks and everything was carved out by the water, which is really cool. So it's a really pretty place. We're gonna be magnet fishing in this pool area right here. But here's where we're magnet fishing. We are on top of the rocks, so it's a little sketchy. But we'll throw these in, see if there's anything down in here. No, okay. But a little sketchy, That's all right though. We got the worn gloves today, boys, because it's cold.
The water's getting colder.
Water is getting colder. The outside air is getting colder. So sketchy and scary. Found some magnetic rocks. What?
Magnetic rock.
Magnetic rock. I did find a little bitty piece of metal. I don't know what it is, but a little piece. Kind of scary. Very scary. So scary. Alright guys, so we didn't really find anything magnet fishing. Jordan found a bottle cap. That's about it. But we did want to show you what Joy Falls is all about. And it's all about the scenery and everything, about the rock formations. It's really pretty, so we're gonna kind of do a little walkthrough of it and hope you enjoy it.
Alright guys, so we just finished up at Joy Falls. I didn't really find much except for a bottle cap, but it was really beautiful. We got to kind of explore a little bit. But we are going to head over to a bridge nearby, see if we can find something magnet fishing wise there. So we'll see you guys over there.
Alright guys, we are at the second bridge, or well, bridge that we said we were going to do. Yeah, first bridge, second spot. Yeah, some piece of metal. Huh? I don't know. It's very magnetic though. Well, yeah, you usually try to throw yours out there maybe. See, if you're gonna throw a gun, you're gonna toss it, right?
No.
Well, I mean, if I was gonna do it, and I'm not saying I've done it, but if I was gonna do it, it'd be out there. I threw it. I know I was really nervous about my knot for a second. Alright guys, so we finished up at the bridge. It was a bust, unfortunately. Today, honestly, magnet fishing wise, has been a pretty big bust, but hey, you know what? Sometimes you have those days. It ain't every day you go out and find whatever, right? So we do want to kind of show you some clips from this. It's just show you know, not every day is a successful day. But you know what? We enjoyed some beautiful scenery. Joy Falls looked amazing. It's absolutely pretty. The creek here is really nice too. It's all the fall weather. We got to see a puppy. That's pretty awesome. I think he's hiding in the weeds over there, still watching us. But we're gonna go ahead and close out this portion of the video. Make sure to thumbs up this video, drop some comments, and of course make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And until next time guys, keep it real.